Hi everyone, it's Mr. Gogi again with another English lesson. As you can see, I am going to continue types of sentences. In the previous video, you would have looked at complex sentences. I'm very sure you would be able to understand whatever that I have explained. So let's carry forward that knowledge into today's lesson. Today we are going to look at compound complex sentences. Just like the name itself, we are going to combine everything. We are going to join everything. So the requirement for compound complex sentences, you need to have at least two independent clauses. Two independent clauses. You need to have one dependent clause. You need to have one dependent clause. And these sentences are joined by coordinating conjunction, and subordinating conjunction. For independent clauses, they should be joined by coordinating conjunction, and for dependent clause, to be able to make them complete, you need the help of subordinating conjunction to make sure that they are connected to the independent clause. Because as I have explained before, in order for a dependent clause to be complete, you need subordinating conjunction so that they get connected to the independent clause. That is the function of subordinating conjunction, to help the dependent clause to stick to the independent clause and form a complete sentence. Okay, now let's look at the example of compound complex sentence. Now, students, they have an idea that compound complex sentences are usually long. Simple sentences are usually short. No. Okay? Compound complex sentence can be shorter than simple sentence itself. Okay? Let's just look at one of the examples of compound complex sentence. Okay, so as you can see, this is conditional sentence. If conditional sentence, which is condition, the third condition, which I have explained in one of my videos, right? Let's look at the compound complex sentence. Let's break them. Okay, so let's find out where are the conjunctions first. For example, if is a subordinating conjunction. What about and? And is a coordinating conjunction. Now that we have found the conjunctions, let's find for the clauses. Independent clauses first. Independent clauses. I would have asked him to join me. That is one. We could have celebrated together. That is two. Let's see, he was here. It does sound like a independent clause, but remember, there is a subordinating conjunction connected to the sentence, connected to the clause here. So this whole thing should be considered as a dependent clause. This is an independent clause. This is an independent clause. Now it checks all the boxes. This sentence checks all the boxes of a compound complex sentence. So always keep in mind, always check the requirement, whether you have fulfilled them or no. Then it would be very easy for you to identify that you have done the correct type of sentences. So I will see you again with another lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye.